Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method. So all you need to do right now is use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's keep holding those two keys for about 7 seconds. Then let's release both keys and start holding power key, Bixby and volume up. Keep holding those two keys and release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy S10e logo pops up. As you can see, Android system recovery just pops up. So here all you need to do is simply navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, and as soon as Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, let's simply press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait until the operation will be completed successfully. Alright, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up and there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.